How do I set up my step and repeat banner stands? Step and repeat banners add a visual backdrop to any event. We'll show you how to set up the stand step by step. First, open the carrying case and take out the pieces. You should have 2 small poles, 4 medium poles, 2 large poles, and 2 base stands. To make the vertical poles, take 1 large pole and remove the screw. Then attach the pole to the bottom of a base and secure it tightly with the enclosed L-shaped tool. Repeat this with the other large pole and base. Place the 2 vertical poles a distance apart so your banner can fit in between. Next, take 2 medium poles and connect them to a small pole by twisting the bolts on each end to the matching holes. Do the same with the remaining 2 medium and 1 small pole. Extend the horizontal poles to be slightly longer than your banner, then slide one through the top pocket of the banner. Lift the banner, then attach it to the stand with the thumb screws. Slowly extend the banner until it's only a couple inches above the ground. Fasten just enough to prevent the pole and banner from dropping. Slide the second horizontal pole through the bottom pocket, then attach it to the side of the stand. And that's it. Your step and repeat banner stand is done. To keep your banner in great condition, wipe it clean with a damp cloth and let it dry. And use hot air to remove wrinkles. Now you're ready for your next event.